Hi friends, you know what? From August 19th to 21st, VIV Farming will take the incubators and poultry farm equipment to Shanghai. Behind me, our owner incubator, Hatchery Factory 4.0, the broiler automatic harvest cage, and VIV Farming controller will show up at VIV Select China 2026. Are you looking for incubation equipment? Check this. Our owner incubator with new disinfection function and fertile egg hatching rate reached 97%. With the scientific design, the energy consumption has reached the world-class level. As the first company around the world who provided the Hatchery Factory 4.0, VIV Farming has finished over 1,000 one-stop solutions for customers around the world. Come to our booth. We will design and customize your hatchery solution. Hi friends. Do you need the poultry farm equipment? Check this. The automatic harvest cage. The speed of harvest is about 10,000 broiler every hour. It's super high efficiency and a low injury rate. Check our climate controller. It's suitable for the customer around the world with a flexible sensor connection, the customized setup, and multi-level alarming. The controller make your poultry house suitable climate. With VIV Farming large scale and standard production, the customer will get the high efficiency product and save cost for hatchery and poultry farm equipment. Trust VIV Farming, select VIV Farming. From August 19th to 21st, our booth number is H2D2031. We will be there. Welcome.